Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Roxy, and for those of you who are not familiar with my channel, I am just your everyday woman. I'm a mother of two, and I just love to live creatively through my short hair. Yeah, I'll put it like that. So in this video, I'm just going to be sharing with you some of the things that I do to maintain my pixie. So I'm just hoping that I can just lend you guys like some advice, and obviously you guys can leave your questions in the comment box below if you guys have any questions about any of the advice that I have. Okay. The first thing that I want to share with you guys is wrapping your pixie at night. So this is just simply getting a silk or satin scarf. I'll show you mine. So it looks like this. And just taking a wide tooth comb and just wrapping your hair in the direction that you want it to be styled. And just take a satin scarf and tie it down at night. So this is just going to prevent your hair from looking all crazy in the morning. And it's just going to cause for less maintenance the next day. So definitely use a satin scarf, or you can use one of you can use a wrap cap. You can use a wrap cap. So that's basically those satin wrap strips. I'll link the Instagram page below to where I got mine. The company is called Silky Wraps. So definitely wrap your hair at night, and this is wrapping it using some moisturizer I forgot to mention. So you're gonna need like a cream moisturizer, or if you even like to use coconut oil or other types of natural oils, or whatever you like to use that makes your hair feel really good. Wrap your hair with that, with a headscarf or a wrap cap. Okay, simple. Okay, so the second thing that I like to do to maintain my pixie is to get a haircut routinely. So I like to go every 3 weeks if I can. Sometimes I do take longer to go, and in between that time I'll cut it myself. So definitely recommend that you get a haircut or a lineup. Don't let it go so past overdue to where it's like completely unmanageable and then you're just turned off. Just maintain it. Just keep on, just get it regularly, so that you know you have more, so that you don't give up on your pixie basically. So just get your hair cut regularly. Find a hairdresser that you like and that you trust, and just let them know, he or she, how you like your haircut. If you want to keep the top long, tell them, just cut on the sides and leave, and just keep the top growing in that direction. Or if you just want it all like low, like how I have it, like a real low cut pixie, just tell them, I want it to look like this, or even bring a picture. And yeah, so make sure you know what you want and you get what you want. And so that's basically what I do to maintain my pixie. Get regular cuts. All right, so the next thing I do to maintain my hair is that I don't use a flat iron every day. So I try not to use my heated styling tools every day. This is because you can create a lot of heat damage, and that just takes away from the health of your hair, and like how it flows and how it looks, and just just all, like, everything that makes your hair look healthy. Too much heat will take that away. So what I would do so that I don't have to use heat every day is dry wrap my hair. So wrap my hair the night before, so that when I wake up the next day, all I need to do is just run my fingers through my hair, put some more oils or moisturizer, and I go. So I try to keep that up for 2 days, 2-3 days, until like I absolutely need to style my hair again. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention also, what I like to do as well is, after I wash, mold, and dry my hair, I'll just rock it in that style, how it's molded, because sometimes it does look cute. It might not be as full and fluffy, but it's still wearable, especially if you're just going to the mall or to the store, or if you're just hanging out with family, or if you're just going to be in the house for the week, you don't need to style your hair all the time, right? So that kind of saves on the amount of heat that you're using on your hair. So okay, so the next, I absolutely lost track, but the next thing that I do to maintain my hair is to deep condition it and to treat it. I try to do it like once a week, as often as once a week. Yes, as often as once a week. So I like to use like cholesterol treatment. I'll try to use like a hot oil treatment, or I'll just use whatever conditioner I have that pairs with my shampoo. I'll use that with some heat. So I try to do that at least once a week, and I definitely think that helps with like the health of my hair. So keeping it moisturized and not so dry, especially in the winter season. So that definitely helps me out a lot, and it saves me so much money, because you know there's times when you have to go to the salon to get a treatment, and that can cost you, you know, extra money. But I'm not saying you shouldn't do that. You should still, you know, go get your treatments, your professional treatments, if you have to, but you won't need to go as often as if you do some of that work at home. Okay. All right, so the last thing that I like to share with you with regards to my short hair, my pixie, it's not really advice, but it's just a mindset that I have, I'd like to say, is that I don't really think about it too much. I don't really mind if I need to go a little bit shorter. I'm not afraid to do certain things, or like coloring, or trimming it myself. I don't get too uptight about it. I just do it. If it's something that I've never done before, I'll just go ahead and try it and do it. You know, if my hair starts breaking or it falls off, you know what, I just say, you know what, I'm just gonna cut it and start again. Like, I don't take it too seriously. I try to have fun with it, and I like to experiment. So I mean, experiment as safe as possible, if that makes sense. So I don't really sweat the small stuff, like, oh, you know, like if my hair gets cut a little bit shorter, or if I relax my hair and, like, say I get a burn or something because it's not professionally done. Like, I don't sweat those things. I like to try a lot so that I can learn, and like if it's necessary, then I'll go to the salon. So yeah. Okay, so that's all I have to share with you guys today. I hope that you guys found this video helpful. Hope that you can take away some stuff that I've shared with you. And if you have anything that you want to share with me, you can definitely leave that in the comment section below, especially if you are a professional / licensed stylist. If you have any questions for me, definitely leave them below. I like to answer all your questions. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.